While everyone's chasing Nvidia, billionaire investors are quietly pouring millions into 7 most popular AI penny stocks, some trading under $2, with upside projections as high as 200%. These companies are landing government contracts, revolutionizing healthcare, and even building robots that can make your coffee. Before Wall Street catches on, let's break down the 7 AI penny stocks billionaires are betting could be the next massive wealth makers. First up is Veritone, ticker VERI, currently trading around $1.47. Analysts see potential upside of over 170%, but what's really turning heads is who they're working with. Veritone recently secured a sole source contract with the U.S. Air Force Office of Special Investigations, a deal that could last 5 years. This isn't just a flashy press release. It's a deep vote of confidence from one of the government's most security-conscious agencies. Their platform, AIware, uses AI to process and analyze unstructured data, like audio, video, and text, and turn it into actionable insights. The Air Force is using it to streamline investigations, manage digital evidence, and enhance national security operations. It's pretty powerful for a penny stock. While still working toward profitability, Veritone serves media, legal, and government sectors. Billionaire investors see it as a picks and shovels play in the AI boom, especially in areas that rely on mission-critical data. Here's something to think about. If the military is trusting this company's AI to protect national interests, could the private sector be next? Second is Richtech Robotics, ticker RR, trading just under $2. This company is reimagining automation, and it's not just science fiction. Richtech builds intelligent service robots already working in restaurants, hotels, and auto shops. Their star product, Atom, is a robotic barista that can make coffee or boba tea on its own. Then there's Scorpion for food delivery and Titan for logistics. Recently, Richtech signed a $4 million sales agreement through a Chinese joint venture, which includes product sales, software licensing, and service revenue. With projected 33% revenue growth this year and gross margins nearing 75%, they're creating a full ecosystem around robotics, not just hardware, but also recurring software income. Yes, scaling robotics is complex, but in a world dealing with labor shortages and rising wages, automation has serious staying power. Would you let a robot serve your morning coffee? Because soon, you might not have a choice. Third is Resolve AI, ticker RZLV, currently priced at $2.49 with over 100% upside projected. Resolve builds real-time AI for retail and e-commerce. Their Brain Suite platform powers dynamic promotions, smart search, and intelligent transactions, already live on over 42 million devices. In June, they launched a new global services division, led by Savik Banerjee, a former tech executive from Accenture and Tata Digital. His mission? Help enterprises roll out AI fast and at scale. Resolve is already pulling in more than $70 million in annual recurring revenue, with projections to exceed $100 million by year-end. Their strategy? Don't chase consumers directly. Power the platforms that already serve them. The risk? It's a highly competitive space where speed and scale are everything, but with a strong team and enterprise traction, Resolve could carve out a winning lane. So what happens when small retailers get the same AI personalization as Amazon? That's the future Resolve is building. Fourth is Spectral AI, ticker MDAI, trading around $3.14, and it's tackling one of the most critical applications of AI, saving lives. Spectral's Deep View system uses multispectral imaging and AI to assess burn wounds without needing invasive procedures. It delivers same-day and even week-ahead predictions on healing outcomes, helping doctors make faster and more accurate decisions. The company recently submitted its system for FDA de novo approval, a process reserved for technologies with no direct competitors. Backed by grants from Biomedical Advanced Research and Development Authority and the Department of Health and Human Services, Spectral has spent over a decade refining this tech. If approved, hospitals and trauma centers across the country could become customers. Like any medical device company, Spectral faces regulatory and adoption challenges, but its potential to revolutionize wound care makes it a stock worth watching. Next is Perfect Corp, ticker PERF, trading around $2.34, and it's bringing AI into your bathroom mirror. Perfect Corp is a leader in AI-powered beauty tech. Their tools let users try on makeup virtually, analyze skin health, and get personalized product recommendations, all from a smartphone camera. Their real-time skin analysis won Newsweek's Best Outcomes in Customer Experience Award in 2025, and it's trained on over 70,000 medical-grade professional-grade images. With partnerships across global beauty brands, they're at the forefront of personalized shopping. Their advantage? Laser focus. They're not trying to be everything to everyone. They're dominating one vertical where AI truly shines. The risk? Giants like Meta or Amazon could eventually step into space. But Perfect Corp's speed, niche expertise, and innovation give it a solid head start. Would you trust an AI to design your skincare routine? Millions already are. Sixth is SES AI, ticker SES. Currently trading at $0.89, but analysts see potential gains of over 120%. SES is developing lithium metal batteries for EVs, drones, and grid storage. But what sets them apart is how they do it. Their molecular universe platform, powered by AI, maps the molecular structure of battery materials. Its latest version, MU-0.5 Deep Space, uses large language model agents to simulate the work of elite scientists. In short, they can test new battery materials virtually, saving time, cost, and accelerating breakthroughs. The challenge? SES is pre-revenue, meaning the value is all about future potential. But for long-term investors, this is the kind of moonshot that could lead the next generation of battery tech. Last but not least is Lantronix, ticker LTRX. Priced around $3.03, Lantronix builds AI-powered software and hardware that connects smart devices, from traffic systems and surveillance cameras to industrial equipment and autonomous machines. In June, they expanded their board of directors through a partnership with activist investors, a move that often signals upcoming shifts in strategy, leadership, or potential M&A activity. Lantronix is well-positioned at the intersection of IoT and edge computing, two trends gaining serious momentum. The upside? A diversified product line, growing markets, and billionaire interest. The challenge? They're still scaling toward consistent profitability. But with strategic investors involved, a turnaround could be on the horizon. Looking at the numbers, it's clear these AI penny stocks offer a wild mix of opportunity and risk. Just take Veritone. It's trading at $2.15 with a solid $93 million in revenue and a 43% gross margin. But it's still deep in the red with an EPS of negative $2.48. That tells us it's growing, sure, but it's still burning through cash fast. Now contrast that with Perfect Corp. At $1.86 per share, it's not only posting a 76.9% gross margin, but it's also turning a small profit with a positive EPS of 6 cents. That makes it a bit of a standout among this group, a rare penny stock actually making money. Then there's Richtech Robotics. Higher margins at 62%, but tiny revenue at only $4 million. It's an early-stage play, no doubt, with a lot of its value based on potential rather than current performance. And what about SESAI? It's trading at just 6 cents. Yes, 6 cents. With a negative gross margin and barely any revenue. But with a market cap of $444 million, it's clear that investors are betting heavily on what this company could become. These 7 penny stocks may not be household names yet, but the billionaires betting on them know one thing. In the world of AI, today's underdogs could be tomorrow's unicorns. So, what do you think? Which of these would you take a chance on? And which one feels too risky? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more deep dive stock insights. And here are 15 explosive tech stocks with massive upside. Click on this video here.